How and when to use different control mode. P0 0.00 equals 0 for 0 Salvadoran Cola Sensorless Vector Control Mode 0. No need to install encoders. Suitable in applications which need low frequency, big torque for high accuracy of rotating speed and torque control. Relative to Mode 1, it is more suitable for the applications which need small power. P0 0.00 equals 1 for 1 Salvadoran colon Sensorless Vector Control Mode 1. No need to install encoders. Suitable in high-performance cases with the advantage of high accuracy of rotating speed and torque. P0 0.00 equals 2 for SVPWM control. Suitable in applications which do not need high control accuracy, such as the load of fan and pump. It can be used to drag multiple motors with one VFD.
INVT.